Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here. And look, there's something wrong with this guy. This dog, this singing dog. It's from this. It's a Santa Paws singing black lab. This one sings Let It Snow. And look, there's something wrong with him. His speaker's not working. I tried to look at the parts on this, and I think the speaker is fried or something. I checked the speaker and see if there's any wires that are coming off. The wires are on, and I try to take it off, and there's no strings are coming out of it. So yeah. His speaker's not working. Yeah. But the mouth and the head works, so that's good. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, the wires are on the speaker, so I took the wires off. And there's no strings or coming out of its wires. So I try it again, and then the full part is coming off of his circuit board. Well, yeah, his speaker blew out. So here's what's the problem on this video. Look. That's what's the problem. His speaker is fried out because I check and see if there's any wires that are coming off of the speaker. So the wires are on. So here's what's the problem. So goodbye and have a good day.